Alright, hello everybody, and this is me, Zizzle. So anyway, in some of my previous videos, as well as in the channel description itself, I gave a link to Green Mario 64, as well as some extra things, which is this. Green Mario 64's extras.exe is the file. Green Mario 64 and extras is the file it installs, and Green Mario 64 or GM64.sed is, well, anyway, so I'll explain what that is right now. So if you go down your taskbar, just you run, then you type in iexpress.exe, click OK or whatever. Then you have this really low resolution, like I guess built-in Windows feature thing. So anyway, open existing self-extraction file. Then you can do that. I'm not gonna do that right now because I already did this. But basically, so that's exactly what that is, really small file. But anyway, so if you go into this, then it says, want to install this? Then you click yes, here's this thing. You must not release a subscriber file or media without containing these files without permission, without doing anything about it. Now, what I meant by that is I don't want you releasing random, like, stuff about like, well, okay, there's a few files, like the document files in there that I want people making random videos about. I mean, I don't really care. I won't really care, but I mean, I still kind of do, but I don't want people doing that at this point. But anyway, all credit for making the game goes to JR Modding Stuff. Although I was the one who compiled some of the audio textures and 3D models. Although I misspelled models in explanatory. 3D models are in the file OBJ. The rest is pretty self-explanatory. Then click yes. Then you can choose a file where you want to install that. Then after it's done installing, then we can do this. We have this. We do extract all. Anyway, the original Green Mario 64, the original, release of this got taken down. Obviously, because it contained lots of copyright stuff from Super Mario 64. And, okay, right now I'm just going to do this. Copy. Wait, what? Oh, actually, I don't even need to do that. Okay. I didn't know I would do that. Anyway, so then we can go in here. I'll delete this. Actually, no. Well, I'm just going to leave it there. But actually, so anyway, here's the game. Now, I also actually forgot to... Okay, well, first of all, so if you go in... When you start the game, you actually spawn off in the area... In, like, the last area of the game, which... I was doing that in just one of the hacks that I applied to it, which I forgot to unapply, but it really doesn't care. I mean, it really doesn't matter because you can always just exit out in the game, obviously. But anyway, so then the 64-bit, this is actually another file which you can get separately on Dropbox, but I decided to put it here. So, AcidBundleExtractor.exe, then you can get it here. So it's basically for extracting the data files from this game. Now this, I don't know what this was, but it's really, I don't know. Audio, here's all this audio from the game. Now we can, so here's the music. So, yeah, blah, blah. So there's that. We have all this audio here. I'm not going to show you really much of that. OBJ, we can look at that. We're going to look at bass OBJ. So this is, I don't even know what this is. Wait, I think I did know what this, wait, I don't even, yeah, what is this? Okay, well, I play this game so much that you'd assume I know what that is. Body is Luigi's body. Like that. Interesting. Then we have, actually we're gonna look at a coin. So, as you can see, it has like this, it has the, I mean, yeah, when you look at it up close, it looks pretty low poly, and it's not like this amazing model thing, but, it's really small. Textures is actually one of the things I find the most interesting about it. A lot of tile sets, especially a lot of ones that are just pure colors, like this one. And then, so here's a bunch. Here's all these textures in the game. the number, like the font, the whole castle windows thing, the tree, the tree atlas thing. I don't know why it's called atlas. Rock texture. I don't remember where this is from. Oh no, I do. Okay. This, I think it's from like near the start of the game or whatever. But anyways, I don't actually know what this is used for. But so this is like the water. This is the water texture. The water looks cool in this game, although unfortunately there's no water physics. I mean, there's only one tiny spot of water in the game, and I mean, oh, actually no, there's multiple, I think, yeah, but there's all this stuff, and I don't know what fuzzy ball is. I said fuzzy. Wait, what is? Okay, or well, okay, obviously the flowers are the flowers, which are from like those little circular things, like patches of flowers, and so yeah, that's that, and then you know these things, these three docs videos. I mean, files are things. I think I show. Yeah, well, okay. I think that the 80% speedrun strats. I didn't showcase that in my videos. I don't think. This is just the license txt file I used, because actually when you go in here, create new stuff extraction file, then you can I guess do that. Alright, package title, blah blah, type in whatever you want. I'm not going to create this, but I'm just going to show you. So then you can prompt user with blah blah blah. Alright, next, yeah, you can display license, you can choose what txt file you want. So then you can say do not display license, then you can add files here, and then you can add a random file here, then yeah, so you can do that. Then you can create a file, and it takes a surprisingly long amount of time to just create it, depending on, well, obviously that depends on the size of the file, but so that's really that. And but I also just want to point anything out about, so when hacking the data, so we gotta change level 0 with level, and it changed to level 6, and then, well, yeah, basically just like replace the names with each other. Then the game will, then the actual game itself will be exactly the same as it normally is. This is this. This is the version I already have, and in the taskbar isn't this exe file. But that was really my entire guide for this. Thanks for watching. Bye.